everyone, it's me, Miss Lily, and before we start the lesson today, we will sing some songs. And the first one is a finger play, and it is Here is the beehive. Ready? Okay, here is a beehive. But where are all the bees? They are hidden inside, where nobody sees. Shh. The bees are coming out the hive. The bees are coming out the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you like it? Oh, I bet you do. Okay, and we come to the second song, and this song is, what song is it? It is rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Okay, are you ready? Okay, shake a little bit. Okay. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand, paper. Left hand, paper. What do we have? We have a butterfly. Good job. The butterfly is flying to the right. It's flying to the left. The butterfly is flying up. It's going down. We have a butterfly. Okay, ready? Now we could go faster. Okay, ready? Okay. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand, paper. Left hand, rock. What do we have now? It's a mushroom. It's a mushroom. Let's roll a mushroom on our head. Let's roll the mushroom on our shoulder. Okay, are you ready to go faster? Okay. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. Right hand, scissors. Left hand, rock. What do we have now? It's a snail. The snail is rolling on the ground. The snail is going on my leg. It's going on my shoulder. It's a snail. Okay, good job everyone. And now you will see a girl, and she's packing up her bags to go somewhere. Let's find out where she's going. As you can see, the girl went to the beach. And what did she pack up in her bags? She brought a swimsuit to put on her body. Swimsuit. It's a swimsuit. And what did she put on her head? Jacket? Shoes? She put on a hat. 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 It's a hat. What did she put on her feet? Sneakers? Dress? They are flip-flops. Flip-flops. And what was her mommy rubbing on her nose? What was it? It is lotion, or we can call sun cream. Sun cream. We put lotion or sun cream on over our body to protect our skin from the sunlight. And to protect our eyes from the sunlight, we have sunglasses. They are sunglasses. The sunglasses can protect our eyes from the sunlight. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Sometimes we can bring over an umbrella. Umbrella. It's an umbrella. On the beach, we can make a giant sand castle by a pail and also with a shovel. In break time, we can refresh by some snacks such as cookies and drinks such as lemonade. And these are what you can bring along when you're going to the beach. Now, say with me. Hat. It's a hat. Sunglasses. They are sunglasses. Swimsuit. It's a swimsuit. Flip-flops. They are flip-flops. Umbrella. It's an umbrella. Sun cream. It is sun cream. And after you have packed up your bags, you now can go to the beach. Hi, I'm going to the sea too. This is my swimsuit. I also prepared some snack and also some drink. It is lemonade and sun cream. Okay, now done. Before I go, I'm gonna change my clothes. Let's see. Oh no, it's a raincoat. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, that's right. It's a dress. What else do I need? I need sunglasses. Okay, what else do I need? What do I put on my head? It's a hat. Okay, one more thing. Yeah, it's an umbrella to protect me from the sun. And now we can go. Here we are, the beach. Hope you liked the lesson today. It's time for me to go. And see you next time. Now, let's enjoy this very beautiful sunset.